Hi everyone, I'm Gurgen from Lightr and I'm welcoming you in the future of charging. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Lightr and to tell a little more details that you haven't noticed during our crowdfunding campaign. I'm more than happy to tell you that we have reached more than 200% of our goal, and I'm going to present you our wonderful device today. So what we say here is the box that you are going to receive pretty soon. However, I'm going to tell you that we are still working on the improvements. We are going to change the design. We're going to make it more compact, more practical for usage. And the box will have a better and more countable performance very soon. So I'm going to show you a device that is smaller, that is smarter, and it is actually a charger, the world's smallest smart charger. The first thing in the box that I'm going to talk about is the Lightr cable. You can see it right here. It is a very comfortable cable developed simultaneously with Lightr. So as you can see here, it is working with magnetic connection, and on the other side it is a usual USB, so you can use it with different kinds of wall chargers and standard charging blocks. It also supports fast charging. So the next step that I want to show you definitely are the magnetic connectors that we use with Lightr, the micro USB, the USB Type-C, and the Lightning connector for Apple devices. And to show you how easy the magnetic cable works with them, so it's just one move and you are ready for charging. The same one with Type-C and the same one with Apple Lightning connector. So the usage of this magnetic cable is very comfortable. To demonstrate you how durable it is and how practical it is with the smartphone, you can see that it is an iPhone 8 Plus. So you just plug it in and it is very comfortable and it is very firm. You can hold your phone like this and you will not face any problems with charging. So this is about the cable and about the 3 magnetic connectors that we use with Lightr. Right now, let's proceed to the most interesting part. Here is our Lightr, the world's smallest smart charger. As you have seen before, the technology is the same. We use magnetic connector that is supporting all 3 types of the connectors that we have. Right here, micro USB and the Type-C. This is a prototype. We are still going to make some minor improvements. We are going to make it better and more comfortable for you. So the time has come to show how good it is with the phone. Unfortunately, I do not have an Android device with me right now, but I assure you it works well with Android devices too, as it is universal. You have seen some Android devices in our video and the photos that we have presented in our campaign. So here is the iPhone and here is the Lightr. So charging your phone with Lightr is as easy as this. Simple. It's just 1 second. You do not have to turn it on, make some arrangements, press buttons and do various stuff. It automatically detects your phone, and as soon as you have the connector inside, which is by the way a very safe and very comfortable way to keep your charging port clean and safe. So yeah, you just plug it in your magnetic Lightr and it's that easy. So about the wonders of Lightr, the next step is the bigger devices. For example, I personally use iPad and other tablets a lot in my working environment. So sometimes during the meetings and during the discussions, when I hold it like this, I face some charging problems. So the same technology goes with iPad. Right here, it is charging. So this was the world's smallest smart charger, and you have seen it from all the sides, from all the angles, and you know how to use it now. We work every single day. We work hard to bring easiness to your life. It is our philosophy to make people's lives easier. And I assure you that you are going to receive your easiness, your problem solver for the charging very soon. I just want to say thank you to all of the backers of this campaign and all the supporters, all the people who supported us alongside with all of these processes and all of the crowdfunding campaign. Stay tuned. We will get more updates very soon, and just keep being awesome.